RS Busters. Yes, of course we wrap cars. You do? You have? No kidding. Yes, just give me the address, of course. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. We get in!
I've been waiting so long for this moment. I've seen every car in the world, from Ferrari to LaFerrari to the 355 Spiders to the Bugattis to any car you can think of. Let me tell you something, I've got the best car here right now. Let's check it out. Guess what it is? It's the Ecto!
If it's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call?
So guys, as you can see, we've got the Ecto 1 behind us, thrown all the way from New York. We're going to be doing some graphic work on it. Let's see how we get on. Am I ready for the occasion? Guess I'm not. Let's get changed. That's more like it. Okay, I've got Mike here from wildcarhire.com. He's going to tell you all about this beautiful, amazing Ecto 1. Mike, tell me all about it, buddy.
1959 Cadillac ambulance, all the way from New Mexico 6 years ago. Been searching for one for 15 years, just very, very rare, hard to get hold of. And then I finally found one over there in New Mexico in America, and shipped it in, and it's been a 6-year restoration project just to get it to where it is now.
Amazing. What an amazing vehicle it is, guys. It's unbelievable. Like I said, I saw the Carver 1 and I thought that was something special, but this is taking it to another level.
We came, we saw, we kicked its ass.
Tell me a little bit about the running gear on this beautiful motor.
It's the original 6.3 V8 that's in it. It has a 3-speed auto box, and it's not very quick, it's quite slow, and it's not quick top end, and I need to get up and down the country. So I bought an 80s Cadillac with a V8 diesel Cadillac lump in, 4-speed auto box. So I've transferred all that running gear into this car, put all the wiring looms gone in, so I've put electric windows in the front, and then yeah, all the electrics up on the roof. I've got a big amplifier in here, an Android sound system, so we can have all the different sound effects.
Sounds amazing. I know, when you
all
pulled
the
up.
blue lights going.
Yeah, he pulled up in it. It was unbelievable. It was shock. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's come all the way from America, this, and it's landed here at RS Customs, and what a pleasure to have an amazing car here. Did you come across any hurdles? It looks like there must have been loads on this. Obviously, you've totally restored it, haven't you, since last year? Yeah. So what are the hurdles? What did you come across?
There's something very important I forgot to tell you.
Just parts, trying to get the parts in.
Why?
A lot of stuff is old, like the wheel trims, trying to get a set of 59. There's a lot of Cadillacs and a lot of models and a lot of years.
Yeah.
But the 1959 with the twin light fin is a one-off design, and everybody really goes after the 59 model. So trying to find bits. I mean, the steering wheels, just trying to find a steering wheel. I was looking again today to see if I can get an upgrade newer one.
Yeah.
And even them $5,000 just for a steering wheel.
Wow.
It's absolutely ridiculous.
Wait.
Right, now I tell you what I want to ask you. A simple, straightforward question. From here to Bradford, how much did it cost you to get there and back? Go on, tell us.
Do you know what? With the running gear I put in, it's not actually that bad. I get about 20 to the 18, 20 to the gallon.
Oh, that's not too bad.
It's quite nice. We don't get there like super fast, but it does a job, you know.
Brilliant, brilliant, excellent. Well, it's a pleasure. We're doing some work on at the moment. We're doing some chrome finishings on here. Most of the car's done. We're just chroming it out for him. There were some areas that needed sort of sorting out. He brought it to the right place, and like I said, if you do want some chrome bits and bobs doing on your car, you know where to bring it here at RS Customs. You know what to do. DM, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. Just contact us at hello@rscustoms.co.uk and just get in touch with us, and we'll chrome your car out for you as well. So Mike, clearly you've got XO1. There must be a few others that you've got. Tell us all about them.
Yeah, I've been a collector over the years, and I've had like the 18 van, and I've got the 18 van now. I've had it before, got rid of it, and then I loved it so much I got another one, so I've got that.
Excellent.
I've got the Mirthmobile off Wayne's World, the little blue AMC Pacer with the flames on.
Oh, what a classic car, classic.
And I've got the external sound system on that, so we have Bohemian Rhapsody coming out flat out on that.
Excellent. You mentioned that you had Gone in 60 Seconds.
Yeah, went to Dallas 3 years ago and bought Eleanor.
Wow.
1967 GT500 Mustang.
Wow.
A complete Eleanor, but that's been resto modded, so it's got all the later suspension, independent rear back end, later 5 litre V8, 5-speed Tremec gearbox. So
wow.
it's a new take on the old car. Looks exactly the same.
Looks exactly the same, yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, there you go, guys. You know where to go. Hire it out. I think this is a no-brainer. If you ever want to do a stag do or a party or a wedding, forget all these Lambos and Ferraris. Get into this and take it to your wedding. I'm sure you'll have some fun. Who are you going to call? RS Customs. RS Busters, don't worry, I'm on my way.
Ibby? Leanne? Hussein?